Oh, this is too easy, Greg.
The Americans are coming back.
Video over? Or are we just gonna keep going anyway?
It's okay, we're just warming up. We're just warming up. This was my plan all along. Hello everybody. Welcome back to English Fiesta, where we have another exciting video. Today, Sam, our trusty Brit, is going to guess some American slang. Some American terms and expressions or sayings that we use in the United States. In the first part of this video, I tried to guess some British term, some British slang, British idioms, and I got 9 points. I think I did pretty good. Today, we'll see if Sam can beat me. We'll see if Sam can win. Sam, how are you feeling today? Are you feeling confident?
Hey, Greg. Yeah, I'm feeling fantastic today. I'm sure that I'm going to beat your really, really low score of 9 points. So I'm feeling very confident.
Sam, you're a very confident guy. I'm glad you feel that way. It's great. So for those that haven't seen the first video, go and watch it, but I'll explain the rules again. So I'm going to give Sam a slang term or expression. If Sam guesses that expression, if he guesses the correct term and how to use it, he gets 3 points. If Sam guesses wrong, then I'll give him an example sentence. I'll use the word in a sentence so that Sam can have context. If he guesses it correctly, he gets 1 point. If he still doesn't guess the answer after 2 tries, which he probably won't, at least 5 times, then he gets 0 points. After the game is over, we'll tally up the points and we'll see who is victorious, who is the winner. That's how this game is going to go. So you at home, play along, you can guess the terms too, and you and me will beat Sam together. How does that sound, Sam? Are you ready to get started? Are you ready to begin?
I'm ready to win. That's what I'm ready to do.
All right. Let's go. Let me get comfortable in my chair. All right, so this one is interesting because before the call, Sam even mentioned this because it's so popular, it's so common, it's something you hear a lot these days. But the first word officially is roasting. Sam, what is roasting?
To roast somebody is to, as we'd say in England, to take the mick out of them. So to make jokes at their expense.
Boom. Perfect definition. Yeah. Roasting, taking the mick, it's just making fun of somebody. But it doesn't have to be to hurt their feelings. It's just to have fun. So when you're with your friends, you're just having fun and you can have a roast session. Things like this. All right, let's move on. Word number 2. Okay, this is where we see Sam's level, if he knows this term. Let's see. Sam, what is a baddie?
Oh, this is too easy, Greg.
Okay,
A baddie is a beautiful girl. As we'd say in England, a sweet one. A beautiful girl.
Yes, a sweet one. Wow, look at that sweet one.
We'd say a sweet one in English.
Okay, that's so interesting, and you're absolutely right. A baddie is a very attractive female, like a very attractive female. That's true. Maybe it can have to do with the way she carries herself, her attitude, but it doesn't always have to be that. She can sometimes just be very attractive. So that's a baddie. All right. So the next one, okay, let's see. The next term, Sam. Yeah, it's okay. We're just warming up. I wonder if you'll
Greg's
get this.
Stressing already. Greg is so worried.
I wonder if you'll get this. Okay. The next word, number 3, officially is thought. What is
Oh, Greg, come on. I thought this was going to be a challenge.
That's number
I
3.
thought this was going to be
We're warming
difficult.
up.
A thought is a promiscuous person, a man or a woman who likes to sleep with lots of different people. It's not a word I like to use, but I definitely know what it means.
Okay, that's correct. I guess Sam
Greg,
has
can I
9
point
points.
something out to you?
What's that?
I've already tied your points, mate. After 3 questions.
Wait, oh, that's true.
I can like put my feet up and relax now. Okay.
This was my plan all along. All along, I was the first 3, I was gonna make them easy to think that, you know, you had a chance, you can get comfortable. But then the last 7, I'm just about to just, you know, really go deep. Maybe, possibly. Okay.
Okay, next question. Let's go.
All right. Sam has 9 points. Let me keep a tally over here. 9 points. And the next word is icy. Sam, what is icy?
Icy?
Icy.
You say icy.
Icy. Yep,
It's
like
to say he's like. So I know a few different meanings of this.
a few different meanings.
So,
Okay.
Yeah, so to say something's icy, you could be referring to jewelry that is encrusted with diamonds. So that watch is icy. That chain is icy. You could also describe a person as icy to say he's ice cold. Someone who, let's say you're playing a game of basketball and you needed to score a 3-pointer with 1 second left in the game, you'd be icy if you couldn't make that shot.
That's true. That's true. Sam, congratulations. Congratulations. I'm giving you a...
Video over? Or are we just going to keep going anyways?
Okay, you know what? Just for our audience at home, we should keep going, but I'll say this.
Of course.
There has to be a part 2 of this video. It's not over. I underestimated Sam.
Yet again, the British beat the Americans.
Oh no, this is not acceptable. All right, so next question or next phrase, expression. This is probably a free one because this one is basically a meme. But I wanted to have the question so that you could hear about it and learn about it. So the question here is bruh. Bruh.
Bruh.
Give me some of the ways that bruh.
So you kind of use it if someone has said something quite stupid or quite surprising. It's like an expression of disbelief. So if you were like, I don't know how to tell the time, I'd be like, bruh, how American.
Perfect. That is a great explanation. Is that the only way that you would use it?
You could kind of use it for bro as well, I guess.
Bro. Oh, I didn't hear that. Yes, that's correct. Sam, are you ready for the next question? The next term?
Yes, of course I am.
Of course he is. Okay. Sam, the next term is murked. Murked.
Murked could be used to say you got destroyed. If you murked somebody at a video game, you destroyed them. If I was playing a game of football and we got beaten 10-0, I'd say, wow, we got murked today.
Good job, Sam. That's a great explanation. Good job taking over this video and being a star. It's great. That's the correct definition. And one more thing that I could add, one addition is, even though you can say it in a video game situation or a basketball or sports situation, you can also use it to say that person got murked, like that person got killed violently. So it's not a happy thing. Sometimes it can be very sad, but that's just one more way that the word can be used. But yeah, if you murk your friend in a video game, you just destroyed him, which was what would happen if me and Sam played video games.
What game, bro? Come on, what game?
Man, okay.
Let's get it. Let's get it.
There's some mobile games.
Oh yeah, of course.
Okay.
Of course.
Okay, next term. Next term, we have two more. And I lost track of Sam points at this point. So, next.
But it's safe to say that I'm winning.
Sam is winning. Sam is winning. I humbly accept defeat, but next time, the Americans are coming back. Okay, next term. Sam, what does it mean if you say it's giving? It's giving.
I hate this phrase so much.
Okay.
I hate this phrase so much.
What does it mean, Sam?
When people say it's giving, they're talking about like a vibe or like an energy that a certain thing will like gives off, I guess. I know what the word means. It's very difficult to kind of explain it. So you can kind of use it to say this reminds me of something else. So if you listen to a song and you're like, it's giving Taylor Swift, you'd say that song sounds a lot like a Taylor Swift song. It gives the vibe or the energy of a Taylor Swift song.
Correct. That's really good. And it makes me think of something funny. Agustina from Dreaming Spanish, she loves Taylor Swift. Shout out Agustina, right?
Yeah, big up Agustina.
Yeah.
Thank you for teaching me how to speak like a porteño.
Yeah. There we go. And Sam, your explanation of it's giving was very good. You explained it very well. At one point...
Thank you. I appreciate that.
For sure. At one point, you said it's giving off a certain energy, which even that is kind of hard to explain, giving off an energy, but you're right. It's describing a feeling of something. So this term, me as an American, for me, this is something more that a woman would say or a girl would say. Like, look at her outfit, it's giving rock star or something like that. So I don't use this term, but this is, part of the culture. And yes, it's interesting to know about different parts of the culture. Cool?
Yep. Let's get into the next question.
Okay. Last question. Let's see if Sam gets every single question or every single word correct. That would be impressive. Mm-hmm. So, Sam, the last term is hits different. Hits different. I wonder, what face are you making there? Are you just smiling since you won? Do you have your feet kicked up?
I'm smiling.
This guy. This guy.
With hits different, the last two terms you've said, I know them both. I hear them a lot, but they're not the easiest to explain. When we say something hits different, we usually are saying it's really good. So I'm like, that food just hit differently. We say hits different when it's like, something's really good. It really satisfies a craving that we had, or like a feeling that we had. That's the best way I think I can explain it. It's also a term we use a lot here in the UK. We say it hits different.
Really?
So,
really? In the UK?
Yeah, we use that one quite a bit here.
Wow. Interesting. Well, congratulations, Sam. Got a perfect score. A perfect score. I also prepared a bonus round for you, even though you don't need it. But there's a
You know what? Let's do it. Let's do it. I'm here for it.
For sure. I was also going to say, it's so funny. Even my bonus round, you already did it. You already completed my bonus round. Because
Okay.
the reason is my bonus round, I was going to tell you that you had 15 or 30 seconds to use 3 of the slang terms in a sentence. So to use 3 of the
Can I
American...
use some different ones? Can I?
Okay.
I can be like, oh man, the club tonight, it's so lit. You hear me? I know certain parts of America, you guys love to say, you hear me.
You hear me.
Yeah, you hear me. There's a very famous video of, I think it's a guy from New Orleans. And he says, you hear me at the end of every sentence.
Yeah.
Get it, I live, you hear me? I take what I want, you hear me?
Kind of crazy.
Yeah, I was definitely thinking either New Orleans or New York, but I definitely heard
Yeah,
that one.
New Orleans.
New Orleans. Yeah. Okay. Wow. Nice. That's one. And then maybe one more just for fun. A slang term that we
Ooh.
use from today. Just use it in a sentence that makes sense in a way that an American would say it.
Greg, I'm going to be honest with you. It's giving loser energy.
Oh
it's giving big
my
L
gosh.
energy.
This man said big L energy.
Big L energy.
Big L energy. Oh my gosh. You know,
we're going to have to start calling you Leg.
on my on our own channel, on my own channel, we're just getting I'm just getting destroyed over here. Man, this is
All I'm going to say is the British stay winning, unsurprisingly. Another W to take back to the motherland.
yeah.
I think they'll be very proud of me.
You know, this is my first encounter, my first battle with a Brit. And my mistake is I underestimated. I underestimated. You know, I can't say that the British aren't clever. That's obvious. But now
Greg, all I'm going to say is we're still very bitter about the Boston Tea Party. So this was my way of getting a little bit of revenge.
Okay. Enjoy your revenge now because it will be short-lived. The next battle I will win.
We'll see about that, Greg.
For sure. All right. Well, thank you everybody for watching this video. You know, no need to tally up the points. Sam won. He's the winner for now. But I had a lot of fun making this video, and I hope that you had fun watching. I hope that you learned some new slang. I hope that you got some good, comprehensible input, and we'll see you in another video. Sam, do you have any final words?
English is the best, I guess.
English is the best.
Why would you want to be an American?
Oh.
No, I'm joking. Thanks for having me, Greg, as per usual. And everyone, make sure to like the video, leave us a comment, and hit the subscribe button. We have a lot of really, really fun videos coming up for you guys.
Absolutely. Goodbye.